certainly a lot quieter. Oh dear, it's a bit windy. Okay, this is the way, but you know, it doesn't look too good. You know, I've got to be careful. What the hell? What the? Anyway, we're cruising. We're doing good. Oh, Jesus Christ. Here we go. Oh my God. That was hard going. Right, where am I? Sign's fallen off. Oh, I'll go this way. Car driver was like, what the hell was that? Hey! Picking up a bit of speed here, dodgy. Oh, it's even steeper now. 20 zone. I'm into the Hobbit hole. I actually need to gear this thing up. South Milton Church. Always got to slow down for the vans. The locals are lunatics. Oh, sod it, I'm going for this. These roads actually have a 60-mile-an-hour speed limit. This bit of the road got taken by the sea many decades ago. So I'm just going to bliss this bit of sand. You watch this. Yeah, you can see there where it ends. You still go right along here to the golf club. The golf club. I love those windswept trees. Okay, this is a bit steep. The bike can do it, but I need a higher gear to keep up with it. It's just ridiculous. I mean, look how fast I have to pedal. Bloody hell, it's windy. That was a bit dodgy, to say the least. Bloody hell, come on. Leg lift, that's it. Hey. Oh, yeah, ow. Let's go, I'm going too fast here. Oh, I could have had a nasty accident there. Might have had a crash there, you know, things could have gone there very wrong very quickly. Let's see if the cafe's open at the beach. It actually is. Right then, bacon butty time. Bit windy. I've actually got a rock stopping my latte. It's a bit bloody windy. Oh. He's sure about this, but it is a public bridleway. Yeah, there's a lot of sheep in here. I'm worried they're with the lambs. I don't want to scare them. No, the sheep are too worried. I've got sheep shit on my tyres. How cocky was that? Right, there's a little turn here on the left. I'm going to give it a go. Oh, this is awesome. But it's starting to drain on me. I'm going to have to be brave. There's no way you can get up here. Just no way. I can't believe it's powering up here. Oh. That was weird. That was a really weird fall. Oh, Jesus. You gotta be so careful. Oh, bollocks. I might have to abandon this day. Let's see where it goes though. I tell you though, this is seriously cute. Whoa. Look, the slightest bit of rain has made it so slippy. Oh, oh dear. I love it though. No, that's steps all the way. Give that a miss. To Hewish, eh? Right, footpath to Hewish. Oh God, it's so steep. God, that is proper hard. You can tell because I'm going quiet. You can't argue with the power of this bike. So difficult. Oh shit, Christ. I'm getting soaked. No way. Why? Why am I here doing this? Now that is absolutely cracking. Look at the view though. Oh, Christ. Honestly. I better go this way and go down to the sea. No idea where this goes whatsoever. But you know, that's what adventure is about. God, for that got a bit weird. Bloody hell, the weather's really turned. And I'm kind of covered in stuff. Ah, the windsurfers are out on their fancy new windsurfers, hydrofoil ones. You can't see it, but that's actually a British warship in the distance there, just next to the rock. This is June. Oh my God. Whee!
Well, I presume you've guessed that I'm down at my dad's in Devon. The weather reports are rubbish. A bit wet, but it's nice and warm. And I've put the new motor in the BMX.
Oh, she's a bit steep. She's running out of steam. Come on, baby.
Thanks for watching anyway. I'll see you again next week.